man. That's why I call it we come from school, man.
Why you come out here, man? Back in my days when I have to walk Mount Everest.
That live in that Jamaica.
Why we say you should be out, you know?
See that way you want to land them where Pama back here to Papa Neil them when they kill Everest.
Why? Don't bother me today, you know.
Forget that. But on a serious note, me kind of hungry still now. What happened on the menu?
Boy, you come from a they come talk about you hungry. Boy, you no hunger. Back in my days, I didn't tell you hunger name hunger. Back in my days, my name have stomach. That me make you know. You try to go easy yourself here, man. And nobody come test me for an idea. Me never eat. I'm one of them man that will never have stomach. Back in my times, you have to pay for every year. If you inhale, a 2 shilling that. That me make you know you talk about hard life and hunger. Betty!
Boy.
Tell the boy about hard life where we have to pay for year. We never have stomach in a few time. And I can't talk about hunger. Boy, you better go crutch your body pan boy, why you boy? And I come bother me. Betty! How you boy go? Tell him back in a few days we couldn't even go to the road. Boy, go to the road, he want. Hey, a long time for break that boy the foot in a man. It's better wait, man. Wait till we done this and clear, man.
Hard work, you drop it every day on the grind. So if you guys don't stop when they make it big time. Back it up a fat half, 3 half 9. Long time, me I do it for fine. What the freak you feeling, never pass the ceiling. For the haters, them, me no need no dealings. To the top, me facing love, God embracing my flow. So waving them boys, I love KFC and tasty.